Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're going to take a look at our Fender nameplate for the 66 F100s. Age and weather take a toll on exterior trim on vintage vehicles, as is the case with the Fender nameplate on the 66 F100. Dennis Carpenter has just the answer with his Fender nameplate that is made exactly like the original. They are pressure zinc die cast and chrome plated for a long-lasting shine. Featuring the correct red center with the twin I-beam lettering and a black painted 100 below, these emblems will really set off your restoration. They fit all the 66 F100s except for the Camper Special. Our emblem comes complete with the correct fasteners for a quick and easy installation, and will be the perfect finishing touch to your project. You can find these and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on our latest videos. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.